Hello folks, been a couple of days since I've done an update on this Atlas 23 channel base station. I've done a little bit of work on it since the last video. I've completely redone the power supply section, put a new bridge rectifier in there. I have removed the bridge rectifier and capacitor. I've took out the old filter cap that was in there, used to be in there, and redone, zipped up some of the harness, make the harness a little bit better, and yeah. The microphone was the biggest fix that I guess I've done since the last video, this Atlas stock microphone. This thing actually appears to have a crystal element inside of here, and it has a matching transformer. The cord itself is only uses 3 wires. It has a transmit wire, an audio wire, and a shield wire, and that's it. And the way the microphone works, you've got black wire, then you have a blue wire, you have a white wire, and a red wire. And basically what it is, your red and white connects to the crystal element in the microphone. You have a black wire which goes to ground on the ground on your shield on your wire, and it's also grounded to the shield on the matching transformer. And then you have a blue wire that goes to your PTT up here to the switch to transfer the audio to the radio. Pretty cool setup once I got my head around how it's actually done, but it works. I got a few pictures up taken of the repair inside this microphone before I done anything with it. When I opened it up, it was a nightmare. It's a wonder this thing worked at all. Actually, it didn't work very well. When you first key up, you get a bit of audio, then it'll peter out to absolutely nothing. And so anyway, I took back off it, and my sounds like a tornado was inside there. totally destroyed. But ripped everything out of it and rebuilt it, rewired everything, and so we now have the Atlas stock microphone working properly with the barber jack that plugs into it. A couple things I managed to get working with the radio after. I managed to get this this meter here to work finally. I also got the switch to work properly, as well as just the wear sense. 3 of these items were not functioning properly at all. The meter here wasn't registering anything on transmit. And another thing, I managed to get the noise limiter switch working as well. So she's coming along, I got to say. Noise limiter looks quite nice on this radio. Really nice. Noise limiter off. Noise limiter on. Radio sounds better actually with it on. So we're going to key the radio. We're going to see in this top meter, transmit power. As you can see, full power. And. 'And. 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 ' adjust down my calibrate. Put on calibrate. And there's my SWR. Zoom out so you can see this. So as you're using forward, the needle goes over there, and you can adjust to calibrate. You calibrate control, SWR sensitivity. This is your forward and reverse for your SWR. REV reverse, which shows you your SWR reading. Forward is just power output. Basically, just put on a calibrate, just forward, reverse. So there you go. And as you can see, both meters are working. Which is nice. So anything left to do with the radio now is to get some light bulbs put in her. I'm going to need a light bulb on her power indicator, so that lights up. I'm going to need a light bulb on the channel selector. And I'm going to need 4 bulbs to light up these meters properly. And then should be all lit up and pretty much done. Oh yes, the filter capacitor that I removed, I replaced with a, as you can see, this one's 2200 UF, or 2200 MFD, 25 volt. Well, I replaced it with a nice chunky one, 5000 UF at 45 volts, and she's a 2 gang electrolytic, 2 reds or 2 inputs. And then you got your black brown, which is your ground. So that capacitor is now what's filtering the power supply. And I got to say, she's well filtered, to say the least. But anyways, there we have it. So next video now, I guess we'll get the bulbs put in, everything, and give her a final test on the air. But I got to say, she came out good. She needed TLC badly. Test 1 2, test 1 2. 1 2. I can't whistle to save me life for this morning. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio, audio. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Awesome. Anyways, see you in the next video.